Nice to meet you. In this session, I will explain one by one how to use the Bitget exchange. I will show you everything from how to sign up to how to trade futures, so please follow along slowly. First, if you sign up through the link in the video description, you can receive a 50% discount on Bitget trading fees, a 20% payback, and various event bonuses as well. Therefore, I recommend using the link below the video when signing up. First, let's look at how to sign up for Bitget. Please click the link below to access it. Then the official Bitget sign up page will open. First of all, let's create your ID. Please create your ID using either your email address or mobile number. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and it must include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number, and one special character. Next, please enter the referral code. In the referral code field, please enter *3. If you enter this code, you can receive a 50% discount on Bitget fees, a 20% payback, and various bonus rewards. Please make sure to enter it before continuing with the sign up. If you have entered all the information, please check all the agreement boxes below. Please click the Create Account button. After that, please click the images on the screen, in the order of the icons shown at the top right. Next, please proceed with email or phone verification. Then your Bitget account will be completed. Next, let's look at how to complete KYC verification. To use the deposit, withdrawal, and trading functions on Bitget, you must complete KYC verification. Since the KYC verification process includes face verification, we will proceed using the mobile app. First, please install the Bitget app on your mobile phone. Please launch the Bitget app and press the Get Started button to log in. After that, please log in with the ID you created on the PC. Once you are logged in, press the Verify button in the center of the screen. When a guide screen appears saying that verification will be completed within 5 minutes, please press the Verify Now button below. First, set your nationality and region of residence. Next, please proceed with ID verification. Various ID options will be displayed here, and you can select the ID that you have. In this video, I will choose passport. Once you have finished selecting it, please press the Next button below. Now prepare the ID you selected, and press the I'm Ready button. To take a picture of your ID, select Take a Picture. In the case of a passport, please align the passport's information page within the camera frame, and take a clear photo. Once the photo has been taken, please continue with the face verification step. Please align your face within the camera frame, and follow a few actions in order according to the instructions on the screen. Once you have completed up to this point, your KYC verification application will be submitted. Usually, the KYC review is completed within 1 hour. And shortly after, you will be able to check that the KYC verification has been completed. Next, let's look at how to set up two-factor security. To safely protect your Bitget account, I recommend setting up two-factor security. Please go back to the Bitget PC screen. Click the profile icon at the top right, and select Security from the menu below. For two-factor security, we will set it up with the highly secure Google Authenticator. Please click the Configure button to activate it. Then you will be taken to the Google Authenticator link screen. Now please install the Google Authenticator app from the App Store or Play Store. Please open the Google Authenticator app and press the plus button at the bottom right. Then, please select Scan a QR code. When the camera scan screen appears, scan the QR code shown on the Bitget PC screen. Then, in the Google Authenticator app, a 6-digit code will be generated under the name of Bitget. After checking this 6-digit code, please enter it into the Google Authenticator code field on the Bitget PC screen, and then click the Submit button. Then Google Authenticator will be activated, and the two-factor security setup will be completed. Second, let's look at how to deposit into Bitget. There are various ways to deposit coins into Bitget, but in this video, we will look at the peer-to-peer trading method, which can be used conveniently without fees. First, please move your mouse over the wallet icon at the top right of the screen. Then several wallet menus will appear. Here, Spot is the wallet for deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading, and Futures is the wallet for futures trading. To deposit coins, Please select Spot. Please click the Buy Crypto button at the top right. Then various coin purchase methods will be displayed. And please select the peer-to-peer trading method. Or, if you move your mouse over the Buy Crypto menu at the top left, you can go directly to the peer-to-peer trading screen. First, to buy coins, please set it to buy mode. Next, please select the type of coin you want to buy. In general, USDT is often used because its price fluctuation is low and trading is active. Please enter the amount you want to purchase here. Next, please also select the currency you will use for payment. Then please select a payment method. Then various merchant lists will appear below. Let me tell you an important point here. For safe trading, I recommend trading with merchants that have many successful orders and a high completion rate. After selecting the merchant you want to trade with, please click the Buy button. Before proceeding with the transaction, please make sure to check the advertiser terms first. Some advertisers may require additional KYC verification. Now please enter the amount you want to purchase. And also select the payment method. Then click Buy USDT. Then the advertiser's deposit information will appear. Before proceeding with the deposit, please make sure to check the advertiser's chat. Now, after carefully checking the deposit information, please proceed with the deposit. After completing the deposit, back on the Bitget screen, please click the Paid, Notify the Other Party button. While the advertiser is checking the deposit, go back to the Bitget home screen, move your mouse over the wallet icon at the top right, and click Spot. After a short while, once the advertiser completes the deposit confirmation, the coin will be deposited into the Spot account. Third, let's look at how to trade futures on Bitget. To trade futures on Bitget, you need to transfer the coins held in your Spot account to your futures account. To transfer coins, please click the Transfer button at the top right in the Spot account. Set the transfer direction from Spot to USDT M futures. Please select the coin to transfer, and also enter the transfer amount. If you click the Confirm button, the coin will be transferred to the futures account. Now, to start futures trading, please move your mouse over the Futures menu in the top menu. Please click the USDT M Futures button. Then you will be taken to the Futures trading screen. First, if you click the Coin button at the top left, you can choose the coin to use for futures trading. In the Trade menu on the right, you can set the futures trading options in detail. If you click this button, you can set the margin mode. Isolated is a method of opening a position using only part of the margin. And cross is a method of opening a position using all of the margin. If you are a beginner, I recommend trading safely using the isolated method. If you click the button next to it, you can set the leverage. Leverage supports up to 150x. But the higher the leverage, the greater the profit, and at the same time the greater the risk of loss. So I recommend that beginners start with lower leverage. You can set the order type in this section below. Limit is a method of placing an order at a specified price. And market is a method of placing an order immediately at the current market price. Here you can check the available margin. In the section below, you can set the trading price and quantity. Finally, if you click this button, you can select a position direction. If you expect the coin price to rise, select Open Long. And if you expect the coin price to fall, select Open Short. Once the selection is completed, the position will be executed, and if you click the Positions button below, you can check the status of the executed coin position. Here, RO means the current rate of return. EST liquidation price is the liquidation price, and if the price reaches this level, the position will be automatically liquidated. Entry price means the price at which the position was entered. And mark price means the current market price. If you click the pencil icon in margin, you can add or remove margin. If you click the pencil icon under entire TPSL, you can manage risk by setting the take profit price and stop loss price. Lastly, if you click the Close button, you can close the position, enter the limit price in Close price, and enter the quantity to close in Close quantity. If you click the Close button, it will be closed with a limit order. And if you click Flash Close, you can close it immediately at the market price. Then, please click the Confirm button. Then you will be able to see that the position has been closed. In this session, I explained one by one how to use the Bitget exchange. If you have any questions while following the video, please ask in the comments. If you liked this video, please support it with a subscription and a like. Thank you for watching until the end of the video.